Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson and we're going to be talking about vocabulary that will help you get around the city. Alright, here's some words to see how many of these you know. Post office, police station, bus station, restaurant, bakery, pet store, bank, cafe, train station, gas station, butcher, toy shop, corner store, greengrocer, pharmacy, and shoe shop. So what can you see? So these are shops. This is a train station. What about this? Well, this looks like a supermarket. And here is a bus. So we can match the pictures with the sentences. So this is a butcher. You buy meat at a butcher. So that would go with picture B. This is a bank. You withdraw money at a bank. This is a corner store. A corner store is open late. This is a supermarket. You buy food at a supermarket. This is a pharmacy. We call it pharmacy in the United States. In the UK, they say a chemist. You can buy medicine at a pharmacy. This is a grocery store or a greengrocer. You buy vegetables at a grocery store. This is a post office. You buy stamps and post letters at a post office. So that would be picture B. And this is a bakery. You buy bread and cakes at a bakery. All right, so where do you buy stamps? You buy stamps at a post office. Where do you buy medicine? You buy medicine at a pharmacy. Where do you buy vegetables? You buy vegetables at a supermarket or a greengrocer. And where do you buy meat? You buy meat at a butcher. Where do you buy bread? You buy bread at a bakery. Where do you buy a chocolate bar? You might buy a chocolate bar at a corner store or a supermarket. Where do you buy milk? Again, maybe at a supermarket or a corner store. And where do you buy frozen food? At a supermarket. Alright, so now you're going to use these words in the boxes to fill in the gaps in each sentence. So you can pause the video and try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. Okay, she buys her groceries at the supermarket. Your local butcher has good quality meat. The bank is closed on the weekends. Please deposit the money on Friday. The corner store is down the street. It's open until 11 p.m. Please go to the post office and buy some stamps. I love the smell of fresh bread from the bakery every morning. Go to the pharmacy and buy some cough medicine. The greengrocer down the street sells very fresh vegetables and flowers. All right, have some more pictures. This is a cafe. You drink coffee at a cafe. This is a restaurant. You eat food at a restaurant. This is a hardware store. You buy tools at the hardware store. This is a stationery shop. you buy paper and pens at a stationery shop? So where do you buy pasta? Oh, at a restaurant. Where do you buy cappuccino? At a cafe. Where do you buy a hammer? At a hardware store. And where do you buy a gift card? At a stationery shop. Okay, again, use the words in the boxes to fill in the gaps and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, the restaurant is full. We cannot make a reservation tonight. The hardware store has sold out of hammers. I get a coffee every morning from my local cafe. So you can add shop or store to many words in English. So shoe plus store equals shoe store. Hardware plus store is hardware store. Clothing plus store is clothing store. And book plus store is bookstore. So where do you buy a computer? You buy a computer at the computer store. Where do you buy lighting? You buy lighting at a lighting shop or a lighting store. And where do you buy electronics? You buy electronics at an electronics store. Where do you buy pets? You can buy pets at a pet shop or a pet store. Where do you buy furniture? You buy furniture at a furniture store. Where do you buy toys? You can buy toys at a toy store or a toy shop. And where do you buy a bicycle? At a bicycle store or a bicycle shop. Where do you buy fabric? You buy fabric at a fabric store. Where do you buy appliances? You buy appliances at an appliance store. And where do you buy home decor? You buy home decor at a home decor shop. You can also add station to some words in English. So gas plus station is gas station. Police plus station is police station. Train plus station, train station. So a man works in a fire station. A fireman works in a fire station. And a DJ works in a radio station. Buses depart from the bus station. Electricity comes from a power station. So what stations are these? So we have a gas station, a train station, a television station, and a police station. And now you're going to fill in the gaps in these sentences with the words from the boxes. And again, you can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Please go to the stationery shop to buy paper and pencils. That clothing store is too expensive, but the dresses are beautiful. You need a new pair of shoes. Please go to the shoe shop. The children love to go to the toy shop to look at all the amazing toys. We got my cat Alfred at a pet store around the corner. I need to go to the book shop to find a book for my vacation. This is my favorite radio station. I listen to it every day. I walk to the train station every morning to go to work. We need to go to the police station to report the car crash. And I need to go to the gas station to fill up the car with gas. So where do you need to go? My computer is broken, so you can go to the computer store. I need bread. You can go to the bakery. I need ice cream. You can go to the supermarket. I need a new book to read. You can go to the bookstore. A man took my bag. You can go to the police station. And I need gas for my car. You can go to the gas station. Right? Again, fill in the missing words with words from the boxes. Let's go to the cafe. We can get a coffee and some breakfast. I need 2 meters of cotton from the fabric shop. Hurry. We need to go to the bus station. Your bus leaves soon. Go to the supermarket and buy groceries for dinner. All right, so now hopefully if there were any of these words that you didn't know at the beginning, now that you're more familiar with them. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.